and ask us to give you something to do.
To health matters, and a health crisis is looming in Homa Bay County after doctors downed their tools over a raft of grievances with the county government. The doctors under the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacist and Dentist Union accused the county administration of failing to honor key provisions of their collective bargaining agreement. Now led by the union county liaison officer Ochieng Otana and Dr. Ben Otieno, the medics say they issued a 21-day strike notice last month, but their concerns were not addressed. They claim talks held with county officials have not yielded tangible results.
They cannot even post the pay slips for us to download and see those changes. They owe doctors money. Some guys who are previously promoted and nothing changed on their pay slips. And I'm sure somebody is banking and eating that money.
Governor Wanga, it is the 5th day of the month. You have not paid salaries for any of the workers of Homa Bay County. Governor Wanga, you cannot play around with the pay slips of doctors. You cannot be deducting money meant for the union and not remitting it. You cannot be deducting money meant for health cover and you're not remitting it. And the workers, the doctors are suffering. Governor Wanga, you cannot gallivant around the country. You cannot be gallivanting around the country and healthcare in Homa Bay is failing.
KMPDU is really sorry that we have gotten to this situation. We have been put on a tight spot by a county government that is not responsive to the plight of its workers. Workers in Homa Bay County do not have health insurance. Healthcare workers in Homa Bay County cannot afford healthcare, the very service that they are offering.